Today we're exploring Alexandria.
Into this stairwell to try and get away from the noise outside because we just stopped at a shop. We got Coke, some Doritos, and some crackers. They were 12 pounds, and when we went to pay the guy, he said no. He just gave it to us as a gift. We tried again to pay, and he wouldn't let us. That is sweet. That is some very kind people. And we appreciate it.
I would swim across the ocean. I will reach out for the stars. You turn the lights on, baby. I want to be your
Hello. What is your name? Hello. What is your name? Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Curtis. What is your name?
Han.
Huh? Hum?
I am
Hi, little one.
Jan. Honey? Han.
Han.
I am Jan.
Hi, Shauna.
I'm Wan.
Very nice. Hello. You're all very beautiful.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Oh, yes.
Come.
Okay. She wants you in there. Okay. Here, for her. Okay, you ready? Oh, yeah, take off your mask. Okay, here we go. This. Okay, one more. Ah, yes. Thank you. Oh, what? Okay, now the boys. You want to see it? Okay, you ready? Come back. Where's the little one? There we go. Okay, here we go. Yes, thank you. Shukran. This one is video. This one has Nancy. Show Hamud. Oh, goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you very much. Shukran. Yalla. Shukran. Bye. Yalla.
I will swim across the ocean. I will reach out for the stars. Turn the lights on, baby. I will reach out for the stars.
No cameras in the catacombs. That's why the shaky cell phone. But definitely worth 80 pounds.
It was very interesting to see the Roman and Egyptian mix, and tons of spots for bodies in there.
And we were in there alone. It almost felt like we were sneaking around. But they kind of give you the run of the place. There's some pretty amazing stuff in there.
We swim across the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. We reach out for the stars, stars. Turn the lights on.
That guy right there, he's just backing up down the street and he's honking because we're in the way. This is crazy, but fun. It looks like this was a school of some sort. Down the side here, along the columns, they have small auditoriums that would have been classrooms, plus the big amphitheater up at the beginning. We're heading down. There's a big auditorium on the other side, also baths. They say this was maybe one of the biggest educational complexes in the entire Mediterranean. This section of the habited part is called the Villa of the Birds. This is Mohammed. Where are you from? You from here, Alexandria? Ah, nice. It's good to meet you. Very beautiful. We had to get some ice cream.
Some ice cream.
What kind did you get?
Chocolate and mango.
Okay, let's see what it tastes like. We've heard that the ice cream here is very different, so we had to give it a try.
It tastes pretty much the same.
Really?
It tastes like a nice gelato. I think maybe this isn't the Egyptian ice cream.
Yeah, maybe we just got gelato. Of course, the Library of Alexandria of ancient times is long gone. Not sure exactly when it happened, but it burned at some point. And this is the modern Library at Alexandria. The library is beautiful, but it's also closed.
Across the ocean, I will reach out for the stars. When You turn the lights on, baby.
We made it back to Cairo. That was a great day in Alexandria. What was your favorite thing today?
The people we met. We met some really kind and friendly people.
Yeah, Google Maps took us on a bit of an adventure. We ended up going through some markets which were crowded and full of local people, which was really awesome.
But it wasn't just that. When we were waiting for the bus, we started talking to one of our fellow passengers who was from Libya, and he was very kind and told us we needed to come and visit him in Libya.
Yeah, I think that's the first Libyan I've ever met. He was from Benghazi. It was beautiful. Beautiful place, beautiful people, and definitely a place to visit.
We swing across the ocean.